Hello and welcome back to the series that we are starting. Last episode it didn't go to my plan and it kind of went south, so we're going to start again. Just because I don't know what happened, and I'm going to start again. It kind of got a bit weird because I wasn't expecting to start a team create. I wasn't planning to do like a dual person creating thing. So today we're just going to be starting again from fresh, and I'm going to be walking through it. So that's basically what we're going to be doing today. I'm just going to turn team create off because I don't want to do it in team create. I'm going to just remove you from now temporarily. Okay, we are good to go, I believe. See how we are on the stream. Okay, on the stream. Yep, we are. Okay, so hello guys, welcome to today's stream. Today we are going to be creating a game step by step. Starting off in a new place, we're going to create ourselves just an area that can be teleported back to. This is going to be a very simple game. It's not going to be done with people. This is just a purely how well I can do this and how well I can test my abilities of coding and stuff to make this game happen. It's a very simple game, so we're not going to have too much effort on this, but so this is what the lobby is going to look like. Very simple room like this. What we're going to do now is we're just going to make the walls transparent. Grab all the walls, make them transparent like that. There we go. So when a player teleports to this area, they'll be within like a box. They'll be in a box. So what we can do now is we can just grab all the walls. Let's go grab all of them walls now. Give me a second to grab them all. Realize that I haven't got the last wall inside of the folder. Grab one wall. Two walls. That's the 4. There we go. All we're going to do now is we're going to union these walls. And we'll call them walls. So, what we're going to do is we need an area in which the players can spawn on. So, we're going to create ourselves a part inside a lobby. Have a part. There we go. This is going to be the area in where players will spawn on. So we're going to change it into a circular area. Cylinder. Going to then scale that down. Press Control T, Control R, Control T to get it flat. There we go. Make sure we have it the same size. There we go. So now if we hold Control and Shift, we should get it to scale up perfectly to the size of the boundary. We're just going to scale that down and then move that up so it's just a lot above the platform like that. Get the right angle. A little circular area. Very simple. Very easy to do. So we're just going to give this a bit of colour so we know it's like spawn area, maybe give it like a fabric, maybe it's not, maybe something like brick. Oh, brick's horrible. Cobblestone, that's also horrible. Oil, that also looks horrible. How about pebble? Nope, that's horrible. Ah, slate, that's nice. That's a decent texture. So we'll go ahead and rename this to spawn region. REIGION region. That's how you spell it. If not, okay. I think it's just a REA, not I. Our region. There we go. So we've got this. We've got a folder that is named lobby, and inside of it we've got the walls, got the floor, which we can go ahead and rename as floor now. There we go. We'll go ahead and make a ceiling. So what we're going to do is just going to turn the transparency of the walls so we can see it. Just going to take the floor and we're just going to copy that so it will teleport it above the top of the little box area that we've got. There we go. We'll name this ceiling. Okay, there we go. So we'll change the setting quickly. Okay, there we go. So this is what we've got. Going to make sure we've got everything anchored so it doesn't fall. And we can start by creating a script inside of server. Give me a second here to say this. We're going to grab all of our parts, apart from the floor, ceiling and the walls. We'll make them transparent. Hello, welcome to the stream. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a game in Roblox simply as the on screen. So, what we're going to do is create a script inside of server script service. There we go, and we can go ahead and name this script player setup. So we're going to go local function on player. Feel free to follow along if you want to. And then we're going to, inside of here, we're going to have the player. And now we'll do game.players.player added connect on player added. And then we're going to have another function above it. It gives a second to do that. This is going to be a local on character added. So we're going to do function on character added. And then we'll put char in there, short for character. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say local character equals player wait for child and then character or player find first child character. Then we're going to say if character, then we'll do character dot character added connect on character added. There we go. So what we've done now is when the player joins the game, we're going to check to see if there is a player, so if the character folder is inside of the player, and then we can then do whatever we want to do with the player's character. So, we're going to check to see if this works simply by going like this and going print works. Simple like that. So we go ahead and press test play. It didn't work, that's fine. We just need to add a weight in. So what we're going to do is go just underneath the character and go weight 0.5 or 4. Why not 4? Yeah, 0.4. So now it should say worked the output. Okay, give me a second. Wait a little bit longer. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's not working, that's fine. We just need to change we have up here. And we just have to wait 0.5 before we actually fire any code. In general, we can get rid of this, and then we can just type in player dot player dot character added. There we go. Now this should work. There we go. We got it said worked. So continuing on, what we're going to do now is we're going to create a folder inside of the player, and that's going to be the player's stats. Under character added, we are going to be teleporting the character to the lobby. So what we're going to do now is go local x, comma, local, let me think, local x, local y, local z. And all we're going to do now is define our variables. So variables, and I'll just do this. Variables, so we'll say local lobby folder equals workspace.lobby. The local spawn region is lobbies folder dot spawn region. What we're going to do now is go so where we've got the local x, say math.random, say spawn region dot position dot x, take spawn region dot size dot x, divide by 2, comma, then we go spawn region dot position dot x plus spawn dot size, second spawn region dot position dot x, sorry, no, plus size spawn region dot size dot x divided by 2. My username. By what do you mean by username? For what? So then we say y equals spawn region dot position dot y, and then we'll do equals. That's what I forgot to do. An equals there. Do math dot random spawn region dot position. Oh, we've already got it here, so we can paste it. All we're going to do is change this to Z. There we go. There we go. Now we're going to say character dot humanoid roots part dot cframe dot new x comma y comma z plus vector3 dot new 0 comma 5 comma 0. So now the players should be teleported to the platform. Should be. Don't know if it actually is though. Have we got an error here? Let's do Pete wait 0.2 till player find first child. Character not to nil. Um I probably sound shit, don't I? Right. I need to relax a little bit because I'm a little bit too. Right. Okay. Come on. Come on. Relax. Breath in. Out. Right. Let's relax. Let's do this again. Wait for child character or player find first child character. Right, okay, so this should theoretically work. Oh, I suck. Look. Right. Let's try this again then, shall we? Let's wait 0.5. I promise you I don't suck at this. I am good, but I just don't get it. I'm having a little bit of a mental breakdown. I'm having a little bit of a mental breakdown. I need a drink. I need a drink. Give me a second, guys. Sorry about this. Why am I so fucking stressed out today? What's wrong with me? Come on. Relax, 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 relax. After all, it's not the end of the world. Relax. Why am I so stressed? Oh. Give me a second to relax. Okay. What we're going to do. Say if player, then print player found. Say player dot character added next on character added. There we go. Right. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to say print character worked. Work. There we go. Play. There we go. Character added does not have any player. Character. There we go. That should be fine now. Character. Add it to. What the fuck's going on with my voice? Give me a second, guys. I'm trying to work. I need to relax, relax, relax. Right. So what we need to do now is we need to go copy this, get rid of it. So we need to teleport the players to the spawn. I'm gonna say local let me think, local character, so local char player sorry equals character dot parent waits for child character for character dot parent find first child character not equal to nil. Okay, so there we go. Wait, that makes no sense. a second. Let me go. If character not equal to nil, then print character found. So if this works, we should say it should say character found. Next, the parent value. Where's that? Okay. What we'll do repeat wait till character is not equal to nil. There we go. That should work. Print if character, then print character. What is wrong with me today? I cannot spell at all. Try this again. Character found. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Character found. It found a character. So that's good. So let's try this again. Now we'll do character dot humanoid root part dot c frame equals c frame dot new. We'll just paste our variables here. Okay. cframe.new equals x, comma, y, comma, z. Plus vector3.new 0, comma, 5, comma, 0. Okay. This should now work. There we go. Took us a while, but we got there. I'm sorry I'm so shit at this. Right. Just need a drink and I need some music in my ears and then we'll be good to go. Okay. So, what we're going to do now that we've got the character teleported to the lobby, as you can see, they can't walk off the edge because we made it so that would happen. Have got a circular shape though, which I'm not entirely, didn't entirely want that to happen, but okay. What we can do with that is we can just change the force field around it. Render facility, do automatic. Then that should theoretically, hopefully, that should hopefully work properly now. So I'm okay with them being in the circular area, that's fine. Man, what is wrong with my nose today? So now we've got the players to teleport to the lobby. What we want now is we want them to have a win, like a win counter. So every time they win, they'll add one to the counter, and guess what happens next? So what we're going to do now for the next step, what we're going to do now is we're going to, inside of the player setup, we're going to insert ourselves a modular script. This modular script is going to be called stats data store request. Data store requests. Request. Request. God, I can't speak today. Data store request. There we go. Something like that. DSR. We'll just call it short for we'll call it DSR for short. DSR. So inside of here we'll have data store requests like that. Okay. So we're gonna have two functions in here. We're gonna have one function that's gonna be called local function. We'll have data store. So then we do something like this, and we go get data. I just realized you don't local. Second, we'll do data store requests. We'll do get data. Just make that non-capitalized so it do. And we'll have another function called data store requests set data. Simply like that. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say local data store service game get service data store service. There we go. So now what we're going to do is with this we're going to have the player ID and the data to get. Again, we'll do player ID, comma data to set. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a function that's going to set the data and get the data. So start with the get data. So we're going to say local data equals data store service get data store data to get. There we go. Now we're going to say if data then data store, then we're going to say then we're going to go to return data get async, get data async. Then we'll have the player ID and the data to get, which is obviously going to be the name. So we need to do data to get dot value, and then we just have to go up here and say data to get dot name. There we go. This is what we're going to be working with. So inside of the data store requests function, we're going to do something very similar, but this time we're going to set it. So we're going to loop through the players. So we don't want the player's ID, but we do want it. So we want the player ID. We also want the player as well. So pass the player through that as well. Now we'll say you know what? Thanks for watching.